I'm going to show you how to make this kind of Uba Mochi pancake. First thing, you need to crack one egg. And then you need to add the pancake mixer. Like this. And then add some milk. And then you need to mix it all up. Like this. And then you need to add some melted butter. Put some melted butter and then you pour it in here like this. And you can put it some in the pan. Then mix it all up. And then what you need to do is you put some of the olive oil like this. Then you mix it up. And then what you need to do is to put some water. After you put water, you need to mix it all up like this. Then you turn on the stove. Wait for the pan to get hot. And then you put the pancake mix in. Like this after you spread the oil. Then wait for a little bit. Then you flip the pancake. You flip the pancake like this. And then it's ready to eat. So this is how you make this kind of pancake. Like and subscribe to my channel.